Yes, very good morning, children. In the last class, I have completed the third chapter, that is fiber to fabric. Now, before going to start the today's class, or before going to start the today's topic, here in the first and the second chapter, we have learned about the food, right? So we have learned that there are varieties of foods that we are going to eat or consume in our day-to-day life. So ನಮ್ಮ day-to-day life ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are going to eat the varieties of foods na ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು consume ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, correct? So then in the third chapter, that is in the first two chapters we have discussed about the food ಬಗ್ಗೆ discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then in the third chapter we have discussed that not only food, so food ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, even the cloths are also varieties of cloths present ಇದೆ, correct? So the cloths that is made up of cotton, that is made up of wool, nylon, polyester, orselix, so ಈ ರೀತಿ different materials ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ varieties of cloths are there ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ we have studied in the last chapter. So not only the food and the cloths is are of variety types, ಅಂದ್ರೆ cloths ಮತ್ತೆ food ಏನಿದೆ ಬರೀ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, different varieties ಇರೋದು. So we can see varieties of things or varieties of objects in our entire surroundings. So ನಮ್ಮ surroundings ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಅಥವಾ entire, if you take the our environment ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so in our environment we can see the different types of things and different types of objects na ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So let me list out some of the things or the objects that is present in our surrounding that we are going to see in our day to day life ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತದ things ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. So let me list out some of the things here, that is we are going to observe the water, observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, the stones ಗಳನ್ನ observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, the soils, different types of soils ನ observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Even we can see the bicycle, next the bullock carts ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು. So the next the buses, correct? Then the if you just come inside, so ನಮಗೆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಚೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, correct? So etc. So these are the varieties. Still there are so many things or objects that is present in our surrounding present. So these are the things that we are going to see in our day to day life ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ things ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So these things will be in different shapes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So the things will be in different shapes ಅಲ್ಲಿ present ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then it is present in or it is made up of different materials ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, and it is having its own uses. So ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೂ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಓನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and it is made up of certain materials ಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, and each things is having its own uses. ತಂದೆ ಆದಂಥ ಓನ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So now I am going to list out some of the things, or I am going to group some of the things or the objects that is present in our surrounding, so which are round in shape. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು things ಗಳನ್ನ round shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ things ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? So let me list out some of the things which are round in shape. So round shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು, of course if you just observe the football ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, then the cricket ball, so the cricket ball ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, the glass marbles, so the glass marbles, so these things will be round in shape ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, correct? But not only these things, even some fruits and vegetables that we are going to eat, so that vegetables allu kuda ಕೆಲವು vegetables and fruits, they are also in round in shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. For example, if you take the orange ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, lemon, the tomato, potato, apple, so these are the some fruits and vegetables which are round in shape ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Next not only this, even the dishes that we are going to eat, some of the dishes that will also in round in shape irutte. For examples ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ that is idli, next the chapati, dosa, correct? So idli, chapati, dosa. So it is also even the biscuits that you are some biscuits will be round in shape irutte, correct? So all these things are round in shape. So now I have grouped some of the things or object that is present in our surrounding, so which are round in shape irutte. But you should be very clear that whatever the things or the object that is present in our surrounding or that is present in our environment will not have the round shape. So ಎಲ್ಲ objects ಗಳಿಗೂ round shape ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, because some objects will be in, so ಎಲ್ಲ objects round shape ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Some objects will be in rectangle shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ present ಇರುತ್ತೆ, some objects will be square shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so some may be cone or cylindrical shapes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, then some may be cube, some may be cuboid, right? So all the things that is present from that example in the, so we came to know that all the things that is present in our surrounding is not round in shape. So it will be in rectangle, square, cone, cylindrical, cube or cuboid shape allu kuda enirutte present irutte. Clear? So next another example. So in this example I am going to list out some of the, or I am going to group some of the things or the objects that is present in our surrounding which is made up of plastic. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಕೆಲವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ now I am going to list out some of the objects that is made up of plastic. So here we come plastics in the bandra, that is the water bottle. So some of the water bottles is made up of plastic in the madidare. Some pipes will be made up of plastics. The containers, some of the containers ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, the buckets, correct? The jugs, some of the jugs, buckets, containers. So all these materials is made up of plastic. So ಇದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. And you should be very clear that so all the things are not made up of plastic. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು that is present in our surrounding is not made up of plastic. Some may be it is made up of ಕೆಲವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ it is made up of wood ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, some objects it is made up of glass ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, some objects it is made up of paper, next other things it is made up of different mud ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So like this here not all the materials or all the objects is made up of plastics, so it also be made up of different materials inda ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So here we have grouped the objects based upon the shapes, correct? So now we have grouped the objects based upon the shapes mere group madbe. And now here in the second example we have grouped the objects based upon the materials mere ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ group ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, correct? So this grouping can be observed even in the malls. So ನಾವು malls ಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, the grouping of the objects ಅಥವಾ grouping of the things ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So well in the malls ಅಲ್ಲಿ the vegetable section separate ಇರುತ್ತೆ, fruit section will be separate, the shoe sections will be separate ಇರುತ್ತೆ, the groceries will be separate ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So different items ನ they are kept in different sections ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So there we can see the grouping of the objects, the grouping ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then apart from mall ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ even in our house, so ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ so we are going to ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ದ ಡೈಲಿ ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ದ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಕೂಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. So we can see this grouping of items or grouping of the things not only in malls, even we can observe in our house allu ನಾವು observe ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Like that, so the in kitchens ಅಲ್ಲಿ the whatever the masala items irutte, so that will be kept in separate rack ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So the plates will be in separate rack. Then the water cups will be kept in the separate racks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So this grouping of the materials, the grouping of the things can be seen even in our house ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Here the grouping of the objects or the things can be made in terms of shape. As I told, it is made in terms of shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Then it is made in terms of materials ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. And we can also group the substances based upon the matter ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is solid, liquid and gaseous. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಇರೋ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇರೋಂಥ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಷಿಯಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ why we have to group the materials or why we have to group the substances. So how does this grouping of materials will going to help us? So ಈ grouping of material ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಟು ನೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, that is fourth chapter in science, that is sorting materials into groups. Sorting materials into groups. So this is the fourth chapter. Sorting antandra different types. So now why we need to group the materials, different types of materials na why we have to group it, into group ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is the importance of grouping that materials na grouping ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್? So all this for all answers for these questions. So to know answers for this question, so we are going to study the chapter sorting materials into groups. So each chapter in the we will come to we will find out answer why we have to group the materials, then how it is going to help, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Now as I told few seconds later, that is the materials or the objects or the things ಏನಿದೆ, so it is either it is made up of one material ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, or the things is also made up of one or more materials. So ಕೆಲವು materials it is made ಕೆಲವು objects it is made up of one materials ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, some objects or things it is made up of one or more materials ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. That is glass, wood, paper, metals, next different types of ಮಡ್ಡಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನ ಒನ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್, ವುಡ್, ಪೇಪರ್, ಮೆಟಲ್, ಮಡ್, ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Now I am going to do one activity. So in that activity I am going to list out some of the things or the objects. So that is from our surrounding in the ಕೆಲವು things and ಅಥವಾ objects na list out ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay na? So here let me do one activity. Now I am going to list out some of the things or the objects that is present in our surrounding. That is book. The next is the bench, table, newspaper. Next the door, chair, calendar. Then so bench, table, door, calendar, even the some of the things that is made up of here I have listed out some of the things that is present in our surrounding. Now I am going to separate these items. So ee items na nanu ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, separate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So separate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, so we shall list out. If you just observe these examples na ನೀವು observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, here the sum of the items or things that is made up of paper ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಕೆಲವು items ಇದೆ, and some of the items that is made up of wood ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಕೆಲವು items ಗಳು ಇದೆ. So we shall separate these two items which is made up of paper and which is made up of wood. Here let me write the two columns. So in these two columns, in the first column I am going to list out the items that is made up of paper, and in the second column I am going to list out some of the things that is made up of wood. So paper inda madirodu yadu, that is the book. So the next is the newspaper, correct? So the next another one is the calendars. So these are made up of paper. Then wood anta bandaga, that is the table, chair, next the door, bench, etc. So all these items that is made up of wood. Here we have separated the things which is made up of paper, and we have separated the things that is made up of only wood. Wood inda ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಕೆಲವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, separate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So now let us do this separation still systematic. So inna ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ systematic ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ separation process ಅಥವಾ the grouping of the substances na innu let me do it still systematic. So how means ಕೆಲವು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಕೆಲವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಅಥವಾ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ things or objects which is made up of different materials. So ಒಂದೇ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ we will do another activity. So in that activity ಅಲ್ಲಿ I am going to make the two columns ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So in these two columns ಅಲ್ಲಿ here I am going to list out the objects and the different materials are made of. So that means ಕೆಲವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಸಬ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಸೊ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್. So I am going to list out one example. So I am going to take the plate, one object ತಗೊಂಡು. This plate it can also be done by glass ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So the next plate is also made up of plastics ಇಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then the plate is made up of steel ಇಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Correct? So here if you just observe this example observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the plate is made up of different types of materials ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು observe ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So let me take the another example. So that is if you just come to the cloth. So ಇವಾಗ cloths ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so the cloth, of course the cloth is made up of different materials. Cotton ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, next wool ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, next the nylon, silk, polyester, etc. So this cloth is made up of different materials ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So the next we shall consider another example, that is the utensils, ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳು. So some of the utensils is made up of steel ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ and some it is made up of that is copper ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So some materials is also made up of silvers ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Right? So if you just observe this example, here the single object, one single object, it is made up of different materials. Previously, so ಒಂದೇ material ಇಂದ ಒಂದೇ object ನ prepare ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. But here the object is one, but the materials used is different materials. Then after observing this example, the next question that comes to the mind, so another question that comes to the mind is, suppose if the material is one, so ಒಂದೇ ತರ material ಇಂದ can we able to do different types of object? So ಒಂದೇ material ಒಂದೇ, but we have to make the different types of objects. Is it possible? Of course. So we can also do just by a single material inda we can do the different types of objects na ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, prepare ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So let me do another activity. So in this activity again I am going to make the two columns. So in this two columns the very first column I am going to write down the materials. So in the next column I am going to write down the different object that are made of. So now I am going to very first I am going to take the wood. So ಈಗ wood ಇಂದ, so this is a single material. So ಈ single material ಇಂದ so we can do different types of objects ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು prepare ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So let me list out some of the object, that is table na prepare ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, chair prepare ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, even the bullock carts, ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ, so it is also prepared by the wood ಇಂದ prepare ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Even the doors are also prepared by the wood, etc. Right? So the next we shall take the another example. So now I want to use the material leather. So leather ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು material ಇಂದ, so which are the different materials that we can do? So ಯಾವ ತರ objects ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು prepare ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so from leather ಇಂದ we can do the leather bags ಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, even we can do the leather jackets, leather belts ಗಳನ್ನ prepare ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, etc. Right? Then if you just take the plastic, so plastic na ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so from plastic we can make the toys ಗಳನ್ನ prepare ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, even we can make the plastic bags ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then the plastic, some of the utensils are also made up of plastics ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. If you just observe this table or this activity na observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, here we have used the single material. From that single material we have prepared the different types of objects na ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, prepare ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then these examples, so whatever the examples that I have given, so what we have learned from this example or from this activity, what we have learned, so what is the conclusions that we are going to draw is, that is the very first we have learned that the things or the objects that is present in our surrounding, it is made up of or it can be grouped in different ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು group ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is based on, so we can group the objects in different ways based on shape, matter and also material. So this is the first thing that we have learned in this chapter. So different shapes irunta objects irutte, matter andre solid, liquid and gaseous matters nu ನಾವು group ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. And the materials, that is plastic, wood, glass, ಈ ತರ different materials ಇಂದನು ನಾವು objects ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು group ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this is the first topic that we have learned. Then after this we have learned that all objects that are present in our surrounding, so it is made up of one material or more than one material. So whatever the objects or the things that is present in our surrounding, ನಮ್ಮ surroundings ಸುತ್ತ ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು objects ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ, so either it is made up of one material ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ or it is made up of more than one material, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ materials ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ objects ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, so ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. So this is the second point we have learned. So the third point is we have learned about the single objects prepared by single materials ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ವುಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. So this is the third point we have learned in this chapter. The next, the fourth point here, single object from single objects in the, so we can make different single objects are made of different materials. So that means one of the, if you take the plate anta tagondaga, that is a single object, but that single object is made up of different materials. Andre adana glass indanu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, steel indanu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, plastic indanu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So single objects are made up of different materials. So adana kalkondvi. So then last point, that is single material. So single materials inda we can make, so athwa the single materials made up of different objects. So single materials means that is the wood. So if you just take the wood and tagondre, so from wood inda we can make the different objects ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So these are the things that we have learned in this class, that is sorting materials into groups. So the next question, that is we have to learn more about the materials. So which materials is used to make which type of objects. So ಯಾವ material ಯಾವ ತರ objects ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ suitable ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So for that we have to learn about the properties of the materials ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So in the next class I am going to explain about the properties of the materials. Thank you.